Welcome back, dear children. Welcome to today's English class. Today, we are going to learn direct object and indirect object. Before starting this topic, let me ask one question. What is an object, children? Yes, we know an object is a noun or pronoun governed by a verb or a preposition. For example, Alice caught the baseball. Can you say here which is subject, verb and an object? Yes, here subject is Alice, verb caught and object is baseball. There are two types of objects. They are direct and indirect objects. A direct object answers the question what or who. Children, a direct object is a noun, pronoun or word group that tells who or what receives the action. In the sentence above, you could determine that baseball is a direct object by asking the question, what did Alice catch? She caught the baseball. So here baseball is the direct object. Now read this example. David repaired his car. Children, how can we identify the direct object from the sentence? In our previous classes, I told how to find out an object from the sentence. How to find out? Yes, using the verb with the word what or who, and the word that answers the question is the object of the verb. Children, in the first sentence, which is the verb? Yes, repaired. So, how to ask a question? What did David repair? Its answer is his car. So, his car is the direct object of the verb repaired. Next example, they ate the cookies. We know here ate is the verb. If I ask question using what did they eat? Answer is cookies. So cookies is the direct object of the verb ate. Okay, next we are going to study about indirect object. An indirect object answers the question to whom or for whom. Let's take more example. First one, they send him a postcard. Here, send is the verb. If I ask a question using whom or for whom, him is the indirect object of the verb send. To whom did they send a postcard? Yes, our answer is him. So here, him is the indirect object of the verb send. In the second sentence, he bought his son a bike. If I ask question using for who, what is the answer? Yes, for whom did he buy a bike? His son. So here his son is the indirect object of the verb bought. Transitive verbs can also have two objects at a time. What are the two objects, children? Yes, direct and indirect objects. Now read this sentence. His father gave him a watch. Now, if I ask the question, what did his father give? Our answer is watch. If I ask the question, Whom did his father give? Now we can get one answer. What is that? Him. So here two objects. First one is watch and second one is him. Here gave is the transitive verb with the two objects watch and him. Now answer the question what is direct object and answer the question whom is indirect object. So answer the question what here. Which answer we get? Yes, watch. So watch is the direct object and whom, that is indirect object. Which answer we get the? Yes, him. So him is an indirect object. Now your turn to identify direct object and indirect object from the sentence. Question is, he told me a secret. How to identify? First we want to identify the transitive verb. Which is the transitive verb here? Yes, told. And ask question using what or whom. Answer to the question what is direct object and answer to the question whom is indirect object. What did he tell? A secret. So a secret is a direct object. And whom did he tell? Me. So here me is an indirect object. So here told is the transitive verb with the two objects secret and me. Okay children, this is the time to say goodbye. See you tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.